One of the most common questions in the world of Wi-Fi is, why is my Wi-Fi slow? This video series is for anyone who runs a Wi-Fi network, whether at home or in the office, to really help troubleshoot this question to its fullest extent. One of the leading causes of slow Wi-Fi is insufficient coverage. To check your Wi-Fi signal strength, the first step is to download the free version of inSSIDer from our website at metageek.com. I will also put the download link in the bio of this video. Once downloaded, simply create an account and log in to inSSIDer. With inSSIDer installed and open, find your wireless network's name or SSID and take note of its signal strength in the signal column. What do you see? A reliable signal strength to strive for is at least -67 dBm or higher. For media-hungry households with streaming video, you might even want to strive for -60 or -50 dBm or higher. Anything lower than this, say -70, -80, -90 dBm, means that your router is too far away. The farther away you are from your router, the lower the data rate, meaning slower Wi-Fi. You can read more about signal strength and data rates at metageek.com/training. Now it's time to walk around to each area in your home or office environment that requires reliable Wi-Fi and take the same measurements. If you subscribe to MetaGeek Plus, you can use the snapshots feature to take these measurements and upload them to your my.metageek.com account. If you find that you have poor coverage, you'll either need to move the router and client device closer to each other or add another AP or Wi-Fi extender. That's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to make sure you catch the next video in this series, in which we'll talk about steering clear of the 2.4 GHz band. Find out more at metageek.com.